I'm Vin of the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by the Bitcoin 2023 conference in Miami Beach, Florida, May 18th through 20th. Head down, check out 15,000 plus attendees, 2,000 plus companies, and 150 plus speakers, including people like Matt Odell, Alex Gladstein, Lynn Alden, Michael Saylor, and many more to be announced. This will be my 4th time attending. Don't miss it. b.tc/conference. Use code BTC Sessions at checkout for 10% off.
I think one of the things I'm hopeful for in 2023 is that we can talk more about Bitcoin and less about Bitcoin versus X altcoin. So I think it's really interesting that Bitcoiners, people who are focused on Bitcoin, are called Bitcoin maximalists because there's so many other things that we don't focus on, right? So just as an example, in the tech space, there's e-commerce, there's cybersecurity, there's autonomous vehicles, there's all of this, right? And the folks working on autonomous vehicles, self-driving cars, are not calling us out as Bitcoin maximalists and toxic for not talking about self-driving cars. And so it's been, I think one of the things that we learn again in every cycle is really sort of the ways the altcoin folks take advantage of Bitcoin's uniqueness, ambition, and integrity to try to ride the coattails while at the same time aligning Bitcoin to promise that the bigger opportunity is in that. You don't see that in other spaces because there's not an opportunity to participate in the self-driving car market and exit quickly by selling your bag to someone that has less knowledge than you do. And so, I'm hoping that in 2023 and the years forward, we can see more space. I don't think we will. I'm not optimistic. But I'm hopeful. If there was one wish that I could be granted tonight, it would be to see more space between the communities so that we could really be heads down on the plethora of things happening in Bitcoin. It's such a dynamic space. Even if you're 24/7 on it, impossible to keep up. And just to talk about that, I think, would be enough. So that would be my Christmas wish.